Sometimes I hear people say in the comments, say, hey man, that ain't none of your business. Just leave that alone. That is my business. You fucking up shit across these countries.
But if you come anywhere near East Africa, I'ma hate on you. I got to. Like, we just can't have that out here, bro. Get your life right with the Lord, man. Join a church, man. Become a Jehovah's Witness.
You're prepared for Jehovah's return. Because if you're not, I have a pamphlet for that. Well, fuck you.
Go to New York, or go to Oak Cliff in Dallas, Texas, and do that stupid ass shit. Don't come to these people country doing bullshit. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Dominican Route. I want to start off by saying this. Shout out to everybody that's doing the good, positive things in the travel space. We might not see eye to eye on certain things, but shout out to the brothers that's doing the right things, giving the right advice, not just excited because they didn't get no ass when they were in their 20s and 30s. And then they finally get excited because they found out they can pay $50 for a beautiful prostitute in another country. So shout out to the brothers that's really giving great advice in all the YouTube, TikTok, travel space.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Very good. Let me tell you what I have noticed in the last 6.5 years since I've been here in the Dominican Republic, and just the travel space. I've noticed that most of the guys that used to talk bad about black women and shit on black women, I noticed that their thumbnails and all that stuff would show big, fat, obese black women and prostitutes in the United States. They pull back from how to get an 18-year-old and how to get a 19-year-old and all that stuff. They pull back from all of that stuff. So guess what? The people that's calling it out, the people that's calling the 1-800, the hotline numbers on these sickos and all that stuff, it's working. And I'm happy to be a part of it.
It's extremely puzzling how it's still a no snitching policy, even with something as gruesome as what we're dealing with right now. I'm very bothered by that. I didn't know it was so many street dudes in this damn space. I thought these were travelers with passports. Now everybody is freaking Mickey Barnes and all these crazy ass people. Like, bro, this dude should be out the streets, bro.
That's the main reason I do what I do. That's the main reason I have Rico, crusty old Rico, on the live. Yeah, it's certain things I don't agree with him with, and sometimes he go overboard, but I'd rather him be on this side than on the other side of the bullshit. And it's a lot of guys that's doing the right thing and calling this shit out. Because if you let people just keep on doing shit, they will just keep it up and they think it's cool. And of course they want the money for it, so they can say, hey, look at me, I'm in the Dominican Republic, I'm in Colombia doing this, and you could do anything you want to. And don't ever get fooled by somebody that say they can do whatever they want. This video is mainly for the people that's doing the right thing, that's calling out things, that's doing positive things in the country that they're in.
What do you like most about dancing?
¿Qué te gusta más sobre el baile?
Que me inspira y que me hace liberarme de todo y me gusta mucho.
It inspires her and it makes her like forget about everything. It makes her hurt.
Very what good. Does she want to be when she grows up?
¿Qué quiere ser cuando seas grande?
Me gustaría destacarme en el arte del baile, y como también me gusta mucho la belleza y el área de cosmetología.
She would like to be like a dancer, like Junior, and she will always like to be a makeup artist.
Makeup artist.
She likes a lot of makeup and all that. Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Pay attention to the people that have pulled back on showing whores and prostitutes and degrading black women and showing thumbnails of black women. They ain't gonna apologize. I don't even care if they apologize. On the inside, they know they fucked up, and they see the majority of the people are like, nah, that's not you right. In another country, talk about the other country. Talk about that country. You don't need to shit on black women or American women to make your channel good. So shout out to everybody that's doing the right. I've been on a lot of people's channel. It's some people that don't want me on their channel because I don't fit the brand or the criteria. What about the brotherhood and all that stuff? That's fine. They got some people that don't deal with me, that don't like me in the travel space, and that's fine. And some of them kind of straddle the fence. They was like, well, you know, keep doing what you're doing, but if I see you in public, you know, I'm gonna speak to you or whatever. And that's fine. I don't care about that. But I feel good every single night when I go to sleep. I feel good that I'm doing something positive in this travel space. So if you think it's all negative in this travel space world and things are not changing, it's changing. It's changing. I mean, Rico, brother Rico, he'll probably, oh nigga, nah, fuck that. You know, we need some more pressure on these motherfuckers. But at the same time, you have to look back and say, oh man, we making black people look good. We helping them out. We getting rid of the bullshit. The sorry bastards that used to talk about big fat black women and black prostitutes in the United States, they have cut that shit out. Send me a fundy so I can go sleep with a woman. That's starting to be played. Thank God that has all been exposed. I'm having a good time helping the kids out, enjoying what I do, baseball, spending time with Jordan, spending time with my wife and Soul and the family, doing great things. So I just wanted to say that keep up the good work that goes for everybody that's doing positive things out there. I don't care if you don't have me on your channel, but if you're doing something positive, keep up the great work. The Dominican route has infiltrated the passport bro space. So, and I love it. We're getting close to 20,000 subscribers. We showing a lot of videos. We do lives at least once a month. I can't do them all the time because of my condition and some of the pain I go through, and then Rico can't do it and Troy can't do it all the time. But we're gonna keep it up. We ain't gonna stop. And man, I'm so happy that the travel space is being cleaned up. If you want to be a content creator, find some women to sit down with. They got the new AI stuff where they can translate for you. You don't have to push play on videos in front of the club and show ass and titties all the time. I like to see beautiful women all the time. I love seeing beautiful women. Yeah, I'm married, but of course you see beautiful women. It gives me some positive energy. It's a good feeling to see all of these people scattering, not being able to do creep cam and all the things that they do. Keep calling the 1-800 numbers. Keep calling the hotlines. Keep doing that. If you ain't got nothing to worry about, you ain't got nothing to worry about. Period. So with that being said, God bless, make peace be still. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.